We are to find the dot product of the two vectors negative 4i plus j dot I minus 2j. First, for us to perform the dot product of these two vectors, we need to recall the following. We take I, the unit vector I. This is a unit vector on the x-axis. I dot I is equal to j dot j. J is simply the unit vector on the y-axis, which is equal to 1. Next, if we take I dot j, it is equal to j dot I, which is simply equal to 0. Now we can perform the dot product. We take the vectors negative 4i plus j dot I minus 2j. This will simply be equal to negative 4i times I. This will give us negative 4i times I. Negative 4i times negative 2j. Negative 4 times negative 2 gives us positive 8 plus 8i dot j. We move now to j. J dot I. This will give us plus j dot I. We take now j dot negative 2j. This will give us negative 2j dot j. This will simply be equal to negative 4. I dot I is simply equal to 1. Negative 4 times 1 plus 8 times I dot j is equal to 0 plus j dot I is equal to 0 minus 2 j dot j is equal to 1. 2 times 1. This will simply be equal to negative 4 plus 8 times 0 gives us 0 plus 0 remains 0 minus 2 times 1, which is 2. This will simply be equal to negative 4 plus 0 remains negative 4. Negative 4 minus 2 gives us negative 6. Therefore, negative 4i plus j dot I minus 2j is equal to negative 6. This is how we take the dot product of two vectors. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section.